Hello friends, thanks for joining us for this morning's Ag Report. You could sure see the optimism for higher prices in tall grass in this spring's bull sale season. Kevin Mernon is the rep for the American Hereford Association in our region, and he said the average price on Hereford bulls was up 7% from last year at $8,464, and compared back to 2020, and almost 500 more bulls were sold this year. Kevin said that they're seeing a lot of ranchers returning to the Hereford breed.
There's been a lot of new faces coming to these Hereford bull sales the last couple years. What's really pushing it's been this black baldy female market. These heifer calves have been selling at a premium, and whether they're selling those heifer calves or building a herd back around them with some baldy cows, it's really brought a lot of guys back to the Hereford breed for sure.
Well, since we're on the topic of Hereford cattle, this fall, September 12th and 13th, the Montana Hereford Tour returns to southwest Montana. It'll be based out of Three Forks and will include stops at the Cooper Hereford Ranch, Churchill Cattle, and Elke Herefords, and a heck of a lot more. For more information, visit themontanahereford.org. And a day after urging Interior Secretary Deb Haaland to withdraw the proposed rule to make conservation a land use on public lands, Wyoming Senator John Barrasso led senators in introducing legislation to block the BLM's proposed rule that he called illegal and a threat to rural economies. Thanks for joining us this morning. We'll see you back here for the markets.
We asked Montana farmer Walt Sales about the challenges of mental health in agriculture.
Another drought. There always is. There's always going to be another something. I grew up in a generation of you pulled yourself up by your bootstraps. But it's become evident is what do you do if you can't even find those bootstraps? If you need to talk to somebody, go to beyondtheweather.com for free counseling for Montana ag producers.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining us back here for the Ag Market Report. The feeder cattle futures have cooled pretty aggressively here in May, with the August contract dropping $7 this week, but that is coming off of contract highs that were reached last week. However, the over 700,000 head decline in feeder supplies this year will continue to keep buyers aggressively chasing tighter numbers. The corn market's also lending an assist, with new crop prices at more than $1 discount to the spot contract, and when heifer retention begins in earnest, it will tighten the supply even further. Expectations are for that feeder market to remain strong for the foreseeable future. The recent pressure, though, on the futures from fund liquidation did seem to lessen a little bit on Thursday, although it was pretty mixed trade in a narrow range. The cash market is down $2 to $4 this week, with live sales 172 to 178, dress from 278 to 283. Green grass and a high level of optimism made for a strong cow-calf pair market at Sidney Livestock. The bulk of the trade from $26.50 to $32.35. Heiferettes staying from $152 to $173, and a light test of those 5-weight heifers from $190 to $210. Softer prices on the lambs in Sioux Falls, with finished lamb selling $158 to $175. And the wheat market moved higher again following Wednesday's big rally that was aided by Russia accusing Ukraine of attacking the Kremlin. As more information becomes available about the current U.S. crop, hopefully we'll get back to trading based on the fundamentals. Well, that's it for today's report. Thanks for joining us and have a good one.